Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I'm your host, Catherine.
And I'm your co-host, Paul.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, a very big welcome to all our listeners around the world. Before we start, a quick reminder. If you like our podcast, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is also learning English. It helps us so much.
It really does. Thank you. Okay, Paul, are you ready for today's topic?
I'm ready.
Great. So imagine this. You are waiting for a bus. A person is next to you. You want to be friendly. You want to say something. What is the first thing you can talk about?
I know. The weather.
Exactly. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about the weather in English. It's a super useful topic for everyday conversations. It's easy, and it's a great way to start talking to people.
That's right. Talking about the weather is like a key that opens the door to a conversation.
So, let's talk about a problem many English learners have. Paul, I think many students know basic weather words, right? Like sunny or rainy.
Yes, they learn them from a book. They know the words, but the problem is they don't know how to use them in a real conversation.
That's a great point. It feels a little scary. You think, okay, I can say it is sunny, but what next? What if the other person says something I don't understand?
Exactly. So the conversation is very short. It's like, hello. It is sunny today. Yes. And then silence.
Yes, the conversation stops. It's because having just one or two words is like having only one color to paint a picture. You can paint something, but it's not very interesting.
I love that idea. Today, we want to give you more colors for your painting. We want to give you more words and phrases so your weather conversations can be longer, more interesting, and more confident.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need a few simple tools. And we're going to give you those tools today. Okay, listeners, let's get into our practical tips. We have 4 simple tips to help you talk about the weather like a pro. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Let's do it.
Tip number 1, start with the basic words. These are your foundation. They are the most important words. Let's learn 5 of them. I will say the word, and Paul, you can make a simple sentence.
Sounds good.
Okay, the first word is sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny.
When you see the sun, you can say, it's sunny today.
Perfect. Let's have our listeners repeat that. It's sunny today. Great. The next word is cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy.
When there are many clouds in the sky, you can say, it's cloudy.
Exactly. Let's repeat. It's cloudy. Okay, next one, rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy.
When water is falling from the sky, you say, it's rainy. Don't forget your umbrella.
Very important. Let's repeat, it's rainy. Good job. The fourth word is windy. W-I-N-D-Y, windy.
When you feel the air moving very fast, you can say, it's windy. My hat might fly away.
Let's repeat that sentence. It's windy. And our last basic word is snowy. S-N-O-W-Y, snowy.
When it's very cold and white things fall from the sky, you say, it's snowy. I like snowy days.
Me too. Let's repeat, it's snowy. So that's tip 1. Learn those 5 basic words: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy. Practice saying it's and then the word. Ooh, this is a great tip. It makes you sound much more natural. What kind of words, Paul?
Simple words like very, so, a little, or really. Let's try it with our basic words. Catherine, what if it's not just sunny, but there is a lot of sun?
You can say, it's very sunny today, or it's so sunny today.
Exactly, it adds feeling. Let's have our listeners repeat. It's very sunny. Now, what if there are just a few clouds, not a lot?
You can say, it's a little cloudy. This tells people there are some clouds, but not a dark, cloudy sky.
Perfect. Let's repeat. It's a little cloudy. Let's try one more. Imagine it is raining a lot, a storm.
You could say, wow, it's really rainy outside. The word really makes it sound stronger.
Fantastic. So tip number 2 is to use words like very, so, a little, and really before your weather word. It adds detail and makes you sound great.
Moving on to tip number 3, ask questions. A conversation needs 2 people. If you only make statements, the conversation can stop. But if you ask a question, you invite the other person to speak.
This is so important. It's the best way to keep the conversation going.
And the questions are very simple. The most common one is, what's the weather like today?
Let's practice that one. Repeat after me. What's the weather like today? Good. And you can answer with one of our phrases. Oh, it's very sunny.
Another great, simple question is it cold outside? Or, is it warm outside?
Yes, the answer is easy. It's just yes it is or no it isn't. Then you can add more information. For example, Catherine, is it cold outside?
No, it isn't. It's very warm today.
See? So easy. Asking a question is a friendly way to show you're interested.
So remember tip 3. Ask a simple question. What's the weather like? Is a perfect one to start with.
All right, our final tip. Tip number 4. Talk about the temperature.
Yes, this is another layer of detail. Is it hot or cold? People always talk about this.
We have some easy words for this. Let's start from very hot to very cold. When it's very, very hot, you can say, it's hot today.
When it's nice and comfortable, not too hot, you say, it's warm. I love warm weather.
When it's a little cold, maybe you need a light jacket, you say, it's cool.
And when it's very cold, you need a big coat, you say, it's cold.
And for the coldest weather, when it's below 0 Celsius, you can even say it's freezing. Brr.
Brr, yes. So let's practice those. It's hot. It's warm. It's cool. It's cold. It's freezing.
A great way to use these is to connect them to your clothes. For example, it's cold today, I need my coat. Or, it's so warm, I don't need a jacket.
That makes it so practical. So tip 4 is to use those temperature words: hot, warm, cool, and cold.
Okay, we have shared 4 great tips, but now we want to talk about something very important. Your feelings, your mindset.
Yes, we know that speaking a new language can be scary. You might think, oh no, my grammar is bad, or my pronunciation is not perfect. We want to tell you that is okay. It is completely normal. Every single person learning a language feels this way, even us.
That's so true. The most important thing is to try. If you're waiting for a bus and you say, it's sunny today, the other person will understand you.
They will not think about your grammar. They will think, oh, this person is friendly.
Exactly. Communication is the goal, not perfection. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are your best teacher. When you make a mistake, you learn. So be brave. Be patient with yourself. Learning English is a journey, not a race. You can do it. Just practice a little bit every day. One new sentence a day is amazing progress.
You are doing a great job just by listening to this podcast. Keep going.
Okay, to make this all feel more real, let's do a little role play.
I love role plays.
Me too. Okay, in this situation, Paul and I are neighbors. We meet outside our homes in the morning.
Okay, I'm ready. I'll start. Oh, good morning, Catherine.
Good morning, Paul. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is. It's so sunny and warm this morning.
I know. Yesterday it was a little cloudy and cool. This is much better.
I agree. What's the weather like on the forecast for this afternoon? Do you know?
I think it will stay sunny. The forecast said no rain today.
Oh, that's great news. Well, have a wonderful day.
You too, Paul. Enjoy the beautiful weather. And scene. What do you think, listeners?
That was a very normal, simple conversation that happens every day. Let's look at what we did.
Okay, so first I made a statement and added a small question at the end. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? This is a great way to invite someone to agree with you.
And I used tip number 2. I didn't just say sunny. I said so sunny and warm. I added detail.
Then I compared today's weather to yesterday's weather. I said, yesterday it was a little cloudy and cool. This is another good way to extend the conversation.
And I used tip number 3. I asked a question. What's the weather like on the forecast?
And we both used tip number 4, the temperature words warm and cool.
See? We used all the tips in one very short, very easy conversation. You can do this too.
Wow, that was a lot of great information. Let's do a quick summary of our main ideas for talking about the weather.
Okay. First, we had tip number 1. Learn the 5 basic words: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy.
Then, tip number 2, add detail with small words like very, so, a little, or really. It's very windy today.
Next was tip number 3. Ask questions to keep the conversation going. What's the weather like today? Is a perfect start.
And finally, tip number 4, talk about the temperature. Use words like hot, warm, cool, and cold.
That's it. 4 simple tips.
And what is our big takeaway for today? The one thing we want our listeners to remember.
Your takeaway is this. Try to use one English weather sentence today. Just one. When you go outside, say to yourself, it's a little cloudy. Or text a friend, it's so hot today.
I love that. One sentence a day. It's a small step, but small steps lead to big progress. You can do it. And that is all the time we have for today on the English Flow podcast. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe so you don't miss our next one and share it with your friends.
And now it's your turn to practice. Go to the comment section on our website or on social media and answer this question. What is the weather like in your city today? Use one of the new phrases you learned. We would love to read your answers.
Yes, please do. It was wonderful spending this time with you. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
We'll talk to you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.